Yes, Washon to Fabianata. Yes, Piscines attack. Darius to Pestelios. Darius attack by the now, sorry. Nice serve by Rio. Nice receive, set, pangan, drop, nakuha ni Fabiana. Set by Sena, spike by the setter. Receive by the Libera, set by the setter, spike by the spiker. Listen to equation to Sina. Pang! Grabe. Baliwan. Spike by the spiker, I said. Wow, nice. 10 times. Yes, attack. Yes, attack. And it's an out. Outside. Yes, attack. Nice receive by Sena. Equation to Fabianata. 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 Equation to Fabianata. Nice receive. Set. It's at. Nice receive sa kalaban. Okay. Nice receive. Set, quick play. Set, quick play. Nice quick play. Nice receive. Set to Mr. Uyao. Grabe ka track.
Ay, haliday karon ba? Haliday ba karon yan?
Nice block by Luba. Nice drop ball. Sena to Fabiana. Receive by Piscines. Set by Kalias. Piscines attack. Darius Piscines attack. Darius Piscines attack. Darius Piscines attack. That's a block by Luba. Nice turn. Set. Drop. Good. Ball is alive. Quick play. Pagkaon na.
Tama ba ni mo na?
Tingin yung grabe. Nice receive by Pangan. Or kaya sa Pestelios. Pestelios. Grabe ka set. Munyes. Equation to Uyao. But
Nice ya.
Pangan attack. Check ball. Nice receive. Set. Fabiana drop.
Sada na dalon-dalon ni mo.
Wow. Ball.
Bro, siya first line.
Fabiana attack. Receive by the setter. Set. Drop ball. Nakuha ni Sena. Throw ball. Nice receive, set, and what a quick play, but ball is alive. Nice defense by one. Drop ball, grabe, nagkakamang-kamang, like tayo po. Set, Sabuero, and it's nice serve, nice receive, set to be quick. What a quick play, but the defense is so very, very hugot. Drop. Pangan-attack. Fabiana drop ball. Nakuha ni Miral. Fabiana drop. Wow, what a rally.
Hugot kayo ba?
Hugot kayong depensa mo team. Fabiana. Grabe. Hindi nagpapape ang baliwan. And it's up. Now, nice receive. Set to pangan-attack. Nakuha ni Fabiana. Butterfly. Ortayes to pan-drop. Nakuha. Set to Sina. Spike. Receive by Muñez. Set by Carlos. Spike by Pistillos. Nakuha. And it's okay, now serving ang Garwaw. Gunatan. Quick play. Nakuha ni Ral. Grabe kaugot ang depensa. Grabe ang depensa. Pistillos attack. Pistillos attack. What a block by Sena. For champion. Now serving Fabiana. Wow. Palat. And it's a block by us. Served by Pistillos. Received by Fabiana. Set by Bastón to Miral. What a quick play by. Nice serve. Receive. Set by Kares. Attack by the Rios. Attack by the Rio. And it's a block away by Jesua Sena. And a winner for our second set. Got you on.